guys, I'm doing an unboxing video of Asthma. My grandma got it for me, and yeah, I basically want all of them, but not this one this one and this one. I don't know. Okay, where's the damn scissors? I'm using them. No, you're not. Oh, not this one. But even the green one. How do I open this damn thing? You want me to help you? No! I got it. Okay, I got a little hole. Oh my gosh, look how cute it looks! I think I got the water one. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I love it. Okay, bye.